Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Daniel456 here, quickly for a new update video. Happy New Year's. Let's solve a quadratic equation. Let's go. Alright, so say we had this equation. 2x squared plus 4 is equal to 8x minus 4. We move everything to one side, is the first step, and we'd get these, and then so we'd end up like this. 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. If you want to see some algebra, I'm making a booklet specifically for everyone who has trouble with maths. Because why not? Alright, so basically if we want to solve a quadratic equation, we have a, b, and c, and we substitute it using this formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, man. This is very important, and we can substitute all of that into here, and it becomes this, and then we can substitute that into this, and that will be our final answer. However, we have a highest common factor of 2 already, so this is a very lazy way. Not lazy, sorry, a very insufficient time method. All you have to do is find the highest common factor, which is 2. It's by the first digits. We do not include x whatsoever, so it's 2. Highest common factor is 2, so we have to divide everything by 4, which equals to that, and then which equals to that as our final answer. And because it's a negative square root, you know, that's a bit more complicated. Maybe I'll teach over that later, but that's university maths, but you know, if you want to learn about that. And how did we even get this formula, you may ask? Well, we did some maths. Well, some mathematicians did it. ax squared plus bx squared, a plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Say if we minus c to one side, right? So ax squared plus bx is equal to negative c. Right, very, very simple. And we times it by 4a, which is equal to 4a squared x squared plus 4abx is equal to negative 4ac. If you guys don't know how to do this, I'll be uploading an algebra video soon to teach like year 7 to year 8, sophomore year 8, at least by the Australian curriculum. And then so we just plus b squared, which this equals to 4ax squared plus x squared plus 4abx plus b squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac. And then we can substitute everything, because there's a binomial formula in this. I'll be teaching that again. This is by the binomial formula is year 9 stuff. This is year 9 to 10, which we can substitute into parentheses 2ax squared plus 2 times 2ax times b plus b squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac. And then we're almost done there. We're almost done here, and we can substitute this into parentheses 2ax plus b squared is equal to b squared minus 4ac. And so we add a square root symbol, and so we got 2ax plus b is equal to the plus minus of square root of b squared minus 4ac. And you'd know the next two steps. First we just remove b and put it to the other side. Put b to the other side. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And finally, we have 2ax, because there's only one x in the solution, so therefore, there's only one x, so we move the 2a, and our answer becomes negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Thank you for my math tuitions. I'm going to be doing these weekly, so suck it. I made an entire booklet dedicated to this. I want to become a tutoring channel. It's better than, and maybe some gaming. It's a very complicated process. I don't expect to get many subs from this, but whatever. I'll be teaching more maths next time. I think I'll be teaching scientific notation.